Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I got a new EOS 45-15 and we're going to pick it out of the box and try to speed pick it. So let's see. So let's get it in the vise. So you see the shackle. Let's first just regular pick it. Right, there we go. So it was a pick out of the pack. And now let's try to speed pick this baby. That wasn't a new record, I believe, but well, let's give it another try. Well, I don't think there will be a new record with this one, but that was out of the pack. EOS 45-15 fast pick. Not a speed pick, but a fast pick. Alright. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.